Hi guys, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this PR Rage review. Now for those of you out there looking for a pretty new way and pretty untapped way of making money online via flipping domains, then this product is definitely for you if you're curious about that. In a nutshell, what PR Rage is going to do is help you to find domain names, high-ranking domain names, so you can buy them and then flip them, just like you would with real estate. They call this online real estate flipping. So today we're going to take a deep dive into PR Rage. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, so you know exactly what to expect. And as well as that, I've also hooked you up with some really great bonuses that are going to help you get the absolute most out of PR Rage, so you really hit the ground running with a lot more extra stuff. So before we get into it, drop a like on this video, hit subscribe, and turn on that little bell if you want to be notified right away with new platforms and products coming out that are going to help you make money online. Also, if you want to jump ahead at any time during this video, make sure you click the link in the description first. That way you'll go through to my bonus page, which looks like this, my contact at the top. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official PR Rage vendor sales page. So what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons, it will lock in all of those bonuses before then sending you off to the PR Rage vendor sales page. And if you do decide to purchase that way, you will not only receive PR Rage, but you'll also get all these bonuses with it in one big bundle that you can access immediately. So the first one I've got for you is called Website Gymnastics, the art of flipping websites. So while PR Rage is an excellent tool for finding websites, sourcing websites, and taking away all the heavy lifting, so it just makes it easy on you, this gives you the ins and outs of exactly what it is you're doing, exactly what to look for, things like that, the general foundation of what it is to flip domains and how to really do it effectively. So I thought definitely throw that in there. Number two is selecting domains, and this goes a little bit deeper into what to look for when you're choosing a domain. If you are creating a domain, even if you're going to make this into a proper business and you're going to go out and maybe buy some domains of your own, or you've got some ideas for domains that might not have been chosen and you want to validate that idea, this product is pretty big. It goes into everything you need to know there. The next bonus I've gotten for you, it kind of builds on that, and it's two great products. One is e-commerce niches and one is make money with embarrassing niches. Now, e-commerce niches, they're in line with affiliate niches, coaching niches, and any online business niche really can be an e-commerce niche. So even though this is titled an e-commerce niche, what this is going to do is really highlight some really great niches to get into, so that when you're selecting domains, let's say like meditation is a big niche right now, and you find a meditation domain or whatnot, you'll know what to select. When you're using PR Rage and you're getting your search results, you'll know which domains are going to be the best to buy, going to be worth the most. Embarrassing niches as well, use your imagination, but there are a lot of niches out there that you wouldn't have ever thought of that are making tons of money and getting tons of traffic with very low competition. So if you want to be on the cusp of that, you're going to find some really good up-and-coming niches here that, again, you might not have thought of, that you can put into PR Rage and see what's available as well. Probably get something really cheap there that's probably worth a lot. Okay, bonus number 4 is called Side Hustle Secrets. And again, this is for people who are really going to make a go at this. If you really make a go at it, you're the ones that are going to make money. Side Hustle Secrets goes into really a lot of fundamental knowledge on how to make money online. Whether you're flipping domains or anything, it goes into everything: lead generation, it goes into some mindset stuff, and just how to deal with your life, working a job and a side hustle, and how to eventually make that transition where your side hustle actually becomes your main hustle, your main job, quit your job. It goes into a lot of things like that, and also some technical stuff, just really a roadmap. Bonus number 5 I've got for you is how to make money on Fiverr. So one of the options with PR Rage, which we'll talk about later in the pricing, is to get the agency version. So if you're gonna really make a go at this, but in a way where you're selling services to other people, this is a great product. And I know it says Fiverr in the title, but it's gonna apply to any freelancer platform. If you're a freelancer and you're wanting to flip domains or coach people on domain flipping, or anything to do with domain flipping, you want to, even sell this product to other people, or do any kind of service on Fiverr relating to domain flipping, this is going to give you some good fundamental knowledge. Freelancing now, it's quite lucrative. Even though the service came out, it's called Fiverr, people are making a lot more than $5, I'll tell you that much. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step one. Click the link in the description, go through to my bonus page, click on any of these green buttons, and you'll be sent to the PRH vendor sales page, which looks like this. And I would recommend going through this in your own time, just so you can check it out in depth, make a more informed decision. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this. And as I said, under the green button, PRH, under the blue button, all those bonuses. So a big bundle, my email here if you have any problems. Now, this is all reliant on this countdown timer. When it does hit 0, I will delete them off my drive because, it costs money to store those bonuses. But if there is time still on here, they are still available. If you have questions or if you want to ask if I've still got them, then you can hit me up an email, but no promises. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's check out PRH so you know what to expect.
Welcome to PRH, and let's look at how quickly and easily you can have high value domains that you can flip for hundreds and thousands in profits, or you can rent them out to build passive income. There's literally so many ways that you can use these tools. So this is the domain dashboard within PRH, and we're going to walk through some quick things. Very quickly, as I scroll through, this is just opening up without doing any searching. I can see some amazing things straight away. A domain that you can buy for $8 that has a valuation of $1,300 before you do anything to it. Wow. I can see domains that are 6 years old. Wow, that domain's been around for a long time. And this is, again, without doing any searching whatsoever. I can see domains that have existing traffic. And this is, again, before we even start to jump into the program. So incredible that you can see domains, high value domains. You can see incredible domains with age that are ranked there. So let's have a look at some of the details that we can put together. You can find quickly domains in high value industries. So let's say, for example, I've got some examples there, but let's say that I looked at puppy as my domain. The first thing PRH will show you what the search engines are actually bringing up when you bring that through, and you can then tailor your search to make sure that you're really going for the traffic. So puppy, let's do a search. And without doing any filtering whatsoever, we look for domains with puppy in the title. And straight away, I can start to see domains that are out there. Now, I can see domains that are cheap with high valuations. I can also see ones that are high cost, and you can start to see the immediate impact of that. I can see domains with traffic. So I can start to see really domains that have an incredible result there. Now, let's have a look at this one just as one extra thing that you can do with PRH. Look at this, puppy kitten. Now, I can understand why somebody who owns that domain would want to sell it for that price. It's a good domain, but check this out. If I come across to the details section, it's going to run and see if we can find some traffic backlinks. This particular domain doesn't have any, but have a look at this. Puppy kitten is on sale for $1,999. That's nearly $2,000. No information, no backlinks. But Puppy Kittens is available, and I can buy that literally right now from the PRH system, and I can pay $16.99. Isn't that an amazing thing? So I can find high value or high cost domains and find alternates that are just as good, and being able to put them together really, really quickly. So now let's have a look at some of the things that I can find here. Here's a domain that I can buy right now for $10. It has a valuation of $827. It's over 10 years old. I can find some amazing information about that in terms of how it works, etc. I can add it to a shortlist. I can purchase it straight away. And very, very quickly, I can see how I can find high value domains, and I can instantly turn them for a profit. I can find alternates that are amazing. I can find domains that have incredible statistics with them. And I can see in all kinds of things, whether it's a Facebook like or Twitter, LinkedIn count, so I can see how many social links are coming back for those domains. I can build a shortlist, so I can say that one's interesting for me, and that one's interesting for me, and that one's interesting for me. And as I come up to the shortlist, PRH will keep these domains in a shortlist for me and notify me if anything changes with those domains. I can build a search So if I come back and have a look, I can build a search that filters on just show me .coms, only show me domains that are aged, only show me the buy now or the offer domains, keep my pricing under a level that I want, and look for high value. So if I kept that puppy as a status. Now what I can do is, as I search, I can also then tell PRH to keep searching for me. I can make sure that this particular search continues to return results for me over and over and over again. So even with those quick setups, I can see a $10 domain with a high valuation and traffic over 8 years old. That's a great domain to buy. So I can see immediately. Now, what if I wanted PRH to tell me any time that it found a domain that fits my criteria? I can save that to a watch list, and immediately when I look at my saved searches, I will then be able to see that I can have this send me the results. Now imagine if you're looking for domains in a particular niche that you've got within the system. You can have high value domains in a vertical that you can target, and PRH will do the searching for you. Find high value domains that you can pick up for a bargain, flip them for quick profits, and we talk to you how to do that. We literally have access to some amazing people in the industry walking through exactly how they do that. You can rent them out for high profits. One of our bonus interviews has an interview with someone that's bringing in over 6 figures a year. Sorry, 6 figures a month. Wow, 6 figures a year is great, but 6 figures a month from renting out high value domains. And we've got that access. If you'd like to quickly get started in the domaining industry where you can find high value domains quickly, rent them, sell them, do all kinds of amazing things with them, then PRH is the program to grab.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're looking forward to getting your hands on PRH and seeing what it can do for you. I think it's super interesting. I haven't done a lot of domain flipping by myself. I have owned domains, which I now see have been bought and are now companies. So maybe I could have made money from that, I don't know. Anyway, if you go through the link in the description, there's a bit of info as well on pricing and what to expect if you do decide to buy. So the front end is $47, and I will say that you do only need the front end to get the bonuses, so don't think you need to, get all the upsells and one-time offers to get my bonuses. You do only need that. But the one-time offer number 1 for $29 is a protection plugin for the domains that you've just purchased. One-time offer number 2 is endless content for the domain. So if you want to get the domain and spruce it up with content and then sell it off, this is going to be a tool that is going to create content for you, spin content, so you've got unique content, going to help your website rank more. The higher it ranks, that's basically the key KPI, the more money you can demand when you do decide to flip and sell that website. One-time offer number 3, I was talking about before, agency rights. So you can sell PRH as your own product with your own branding and everything else for $97, okay? Or provide services to other people on freelance platforms. So, a hell of a lot of value considering what you're gonna get with all those bonuses as well. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. You might hit me up on my email or social media. I reply to everybody. If not, enjoy PRH. Hope you're excited to start flipping some domains, making some money. Hope you love the bonuses, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.